Hi there, it's Donna and Rhonda from Heart of the Matter Professional Organizing. It is January the 1st, 2018, and we are here to say Happy New Year from both Rhonda and I, and from our team here at Heart of the Matter. We've enjoyed the opportunity this past year to connect with lots of you, and we look forward to that again for 2018. This time of year, a big buzzword is resolutions.
Yes, the New Year's resolution. Well, we've often said we've had lots of discussions with this, with each other, with our clients, and it's the buzzword of New Year's resolution and what am I going to resolve to do this year. And we often say, you know what, be gentle with yourself in making something that's actually realistic. Coming up with something that you can move toward, but that if you fail or if you don't get to it right away, that you don't beat yourself up. So what we always are, kind of our philosophy is baby steps. We've always been one that are very big for this, that baby steps, as long as you keep on taking them, will get you to the goal. Even if they're little incremental steps that will make a big
something, right?
Yes, makes a big difference. So look at what you would like to accomplish, and you can kind of give yourself a rough deadline. Don't be hard and fast that it has to be a certain date, but maybe a month or a season that you would like to do this. And then kind of what we always say, the best thing to do is then to break it up and to make those steps. Take the big goal and go back and make those steps. And that is a skill when it comes to organizing, to break something up into small steps, and so that they can be attainable. And so, whether it's just, one small area, or if it's a fraction of it, or if it's doing the research ahead of time, or whatever, break it up into little steps and just keep taking those steps.
To get you to your goal. Sometimes people want to add one piece to that, which is an accountability piece.
That's huge.
So think about a buddy that you can be accountable with, a family member. Heck, if you want to be accountable with us, we have lots of people that email us and say, hey, Donna or Rhonda, would you check in with me on January the 30th and see where I'm at with the children's toy room or whatever. It's just an accountability piece. It's not a judgment piece on our end. It's just a checking in, because we all know that sometimes that accountability piece is huge. So as we come into January and into 2018, we hope that we have lots of great tips, practical tips that we share with you. We are always happy to hear from you. If you've got something in particular that you'd like to hear about, for me to write about for blogs, let me know. But we're excited about January because we are going to talk about photos. And I'm sure that almost everybody out there struggles in some way. I have a story to tell about organizing my print photos. Rhonda's going to go on
digital.
Photos. And so we're going to break it into 2 weeks. 1 week is going to be print photos, 1 week is going to be digital. But we are excited because we've got a professional coming alongside of us, Dinah Mackinson, who is a professional photo organizer. So she's going to write for us both of those weeks. So please stay tuned, because we've got lots of good stuff. And when you see those come through, hopefully they're great for you. But please share them. Share them with your daughters, your daughter-in-laws, your friends, because there's some really good content there to kick us off for 2018. So again, we say Happy New Year from Heart of the Matter Professional Organizing.